Hello, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut, and I'm going to do a quick video today on just uploading images to Cricut Design Space. I have a member from our Addicted to Cricut group that wants a shirt to cut out, a kid's shirt to cut out as a banner. So the first thing I did was go over here to Google and I put in sleeveless shirt child illustration. And I found this. This is kind of close to what she wants. And so I am going to right click on this picture and I'm going to save the image. And for just now, I'm going to put it in my desktop. I can go later and delete it. Okay? So here it is right here. Now let's go over to our Cricut Design Space. So here on a brand new canvas, we can go down to the button down here that says Upload. Click on that. We're going to upload an image here. Click on that. And now we're going to go find where we saved it. Well, I saved it on my desktop. So let me go find it. Did I save it? Did I pass it up? Oh, here it is right here. Okay. Now, there is some debate as to which one of these to choose. I almost always choose complex just because I want to make sure I do it right. And we're going to continue. Obviously, she doesn't want either one of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this picture. And I'm going to tell it what I do want to keep. Let's see. I'm going to keep that. Oops. Okay, I didn't do that quite right. Let's undo it right here. Undo. I'm going to do it again. Make it a little bit bigger this time. I kind of cut off the bottom. Okay. Whoops. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know why. Okay, there we go. Now I've still got a little bit in there that I don't want, but that's okay. So in this window is when we get rid of all this background and anything else that we don't want. So there's a magic wand up here. See it right here? It says select and erase. We're going to click all the places with our mouse that we want to erase. We want to erase that. We obviously want to erase this. We don't need that anymore. And if we can't get rid of it, like there's still some lines, up here is an eraser. Grab the eraser. We can make it different sizes and erase it. Well, that's not going to erase. Okay, well that's okay. We'll take it out. The other thing I want to erase is this little design right here because she didn't have that in her original design. So I can use my eraser. I can come through and just erase it. Okay. And I can go back over here to select and erase the rest of her dress. Okay. We're going to go with that. Okay. Click Continue. We want it as a saved image. So we're going to click that. And let's just name it Kids Shirt. Okay? And we're going to click Save. Now it's been saved along with all the other weird pictures that I've saved. And so we're just going to click on it and we're going to insert. And we're going to clean this up just a little bit. If we pull on this right hand blue dot, it's going to make it bigger. Let's get rid of all this stuff over here. And I think that I should be able to do that. Let's choose a shape. Of course, you're not going to have to do this every time you upload something. I'm going to turn this just a little bit. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see, I'm going to unlock it. Make it a little bit bigger. I want to put this over this. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this. So while I have the blue line still around here, I'm going to press on my Shift key and I'm going to hit the dress too. Now you can see that the blue line has taken it all in and that the slice key right here, the slice button, is open. So I'm going to hit slice and now I can start deleting all these little pieces that I didn't want. Okay? So now we have the dress. We can do anything we want. We can resize it. We can fill it in or not fill it in. We can change the color. We can design things on it. We can put flowers on it. And then we just come over here and we click Make It. And it will cut it out for us. And it's as simple as that. Okay, I hope that helped. If it didn't, let me know and we can make another video. Thanks.